cute animal friends. Today's story is Monkey and the Muddy Puddle. It is a story about being nice and kind to everyone. One sunny morning, all the friends were playing in the meadow, and right in the middle was a big, brown, squishy, muddy puddle. Now Monkey loved to play tricks. He looked at the squishy puddle, and a cheeky idea popped right into his head. Hee. Along came Rabbit, hopping right up to the puddle. "Hello, Rabbit," she said, and Cheeky Monkey grinned his cheekiest grin. Monkey jumped in the puddle with a great big stomp. Splat! Mud flew all over Rabbit. "Ha ha ha!" laughed Monkey. "That was not kind, Monkey," said Rabbit. "I am all wet and muddy now." But Monkey just laughed. "Oh, it is only a joke," he said. Next, Turtle came walking slowly by, and Monkey did the very same trick again. Stomp, splat, all over Turtle. "Please stop, Monkey," said Turtle. "Splashing your friends is unkind." But Monkey only laughed louder. "Ha ha ha!" Then along came tiny little Mouse. Stop, the biggest splash of all. Poor little Mouse was soaked from his ears to his toes. Now all of the friends were wet and muddy and sad. "That is not kind, Monkey," they said. But Monkey did not listen. "You are all no fun," he said. So all the friends walked away to play somewhere else, and Monkey was left all alone beside the big muddy puddle. "More puddle for me," laughed Monkey, and he did a big, silly showing off dance right at the very edge of the mud. But Monkey was not looking. His feet went slip and slide, floor. And down went Monkey, splat, right into the big muddy puddle. Down, deep into the squishy mud. Monkey wriggled and he wiggled. He pushed and he pulled. But the mud was too squishy, and Monkey was stuck fast. "Help, help," cried Monkey. "I am stuck in the mud. Somebody please help me." But nobody came. Poor Monkey was cold and stuck and all alone. Would his friends still help him? He wondered, after he had been so unkind. The friends heard him, and they all ran back. "Look," said Mouse. "Now Monkey is the muddy one. Should we laugh at him? Hee." "No," said Rabbit kindly. "Laughing would be unkind. Monkey was not nice to us. But two unkinds do not make a kind. Let us help him. That is what good friends do." Big Bear tried first. He reached out his long, strong arms as far as he could, but Monkey was right in the middle, far too far away. Then Turtle had an idea. He fetched a long, strong vine. "Catch it, Monkey," and he threw one end all the way out to Monkey. "Hold on tight, Monkey," called Rabbit. "We will never leave a friend stuck in the mud. We are all here to help you." Then everybody held on to the vine, Bear and Turtle and Rabbit and Little Mouse, and they all pulled together. Heave, ho, heave, ho. But the squishy mud held on tight, so they pulled even harder. "Come on, everybody, 1, 2, 3, heave." They pulled, and slowly out came Monkey, right out of the squishy mud. "Ha, hooray!" Monkey looked at his kind friends. "You helped me," he said, "even though I was so unkind to you. I am very, very sorry." "Sorry, Rabbit. Sorry, Turtle. And sorry most of all, Little Mouse. Splashing you was mean." "That is okay, Monkey," they said. "We forgive you." And all the friends gave Monkey a great big hug, because kind friends always forgive. Then Monkey had a much better idea. "Let us all jump in the puddle together." And this time, everybody laughed. Splash, splash, splash. Do you remember? Was it kind of Monkey to splash his friends? No. And what did Monkey learn? To be nice and kind to everyone. Let's all make a promise. From now on, We will be nice and kind to everyone. Can you say it with me? Be nice and be kind. Being kind feels so much better than being mean. So let's always be nice to everyone. Thank you for playing with us. Come back soon for another cute animal friends story. Bye-bye.